Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Group 2 and we want to present our project. My name is Yafie Gustaff and our partner is Dhiya Zhafirah and Surya Rifqi Fadhilah. Proteus is a simulation and design software tool developed by Lab Screen Electronic for electrical and electric circuit. It also possesses a two-dimension CAD drawing feature. So in this project, we use that Proteus to make a simulation of host lightning circuit. This is the table of content. First is the purpose of simulation. Second is the component that we use. Third is the project design. And fourth is the conclusion. The purpose of measuring The purpose of this project is to measure the voltage in the circuit and make sure there is no overvoltage in the circuit and to make sure the light is bright. The component that we use in this project is electric light switch, DC ammeter, and DC voltmeter. Using direct connection between different components of the circuit usually result in many wire cluttering. This may result in connection error and make it difficult to understand, debug, or modify the design. The solution of this problem is to use terminal connection. Terminals are used for specifying the interface to a circuit. Both ends must connect to something, so all the input and the output in the design will be indicated by terminal. Which use power and ground. There are the power rails that are connected to the hidden pin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Surya Rifqi Fadhilah, and in this video I will explain a little bit about electronical components that we use in this project. The first one is electric light. This is a device that produces visible light from electric current. Electric light is a lamp that consisting of transparent glass that containing a wire filament, and the wire emits light when it heated by electricity. This electric light providing interior lighting for buildings and exterior lighting for evening and nighttime activities. And next is electric switch. This device is responsible for allowing or inhibiting the transfer of electricity in an electrical circuit. As you can see in the picture, that's the common form of electrical switch. Just like basic electromechanical units. And next one is voltmeter. This device is used for measuring the difference in potential between different points of an electrical circuit. In this case we use DC voltmeter. And the next one is ammeter or ampere meter. From the name, this device used for measuring current in ampere unit. In this case we use DC ammeter.
Okay, I will continue the presentation. It is our project design. In this project, we make a simulation of house lighting circuit using Proteus, and we measure it is direct current or DC. The components that we use in this project are electric light, switch, DC ammeter, and voltmeter. Using direct connection between different components of the circuit usually results in many wire cluttering. This may result in connection errors and make it difficult to understand, debug, or modify the design. The solution of this problem is to use terminal for connection. Terminals are used for specifying the interface to a circuit. Both ends must connect to something, so all the inputs and outputs in our design will be indicated by terminals. We use power and ground. There are the power rails that are connected to hidden pins. In this simulation, we use three types of electric lights: 12 volt, 5 volt, and 2 volt. Each room have one electric light, except a living room have two electric lights. First, we use a 12 volt for this circuit. If we turn on all of electric light, each room have dim lights. And then we try to decrease the voltage. We use 5 volt. As we can see, when we turn on the electric light, all room have a bright light except living room. And the last, we use 2 volt. We can see all room have a bright light. We connect DC ammeter and DC voltmeter that are not different value whenever electric lights that we use. From DC ammeter we get current strength 0.94 ampere, and DC voltmeter we get voltage 5 volts each room. After we know about current strength and voltage, we try to measure the power. It is electric power formula. We can conclude the power is 4.7 watt. As we know from the data, because we didn't use a resistor in this simulation, we recommend to use 5 volt electric lights for each room, even though the living room have dim lights. So the circuit will not experiencing overvoltage such as 2 volt electric lights or low voltage as it occurs with the 12 volt electric light. The three of us made this project to complete the project assignment about Proteus, and here we are at the end of this presentation. Hopefully this project can be useful for all of us. Thank you for all of your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.